Hi everyone, Angela here. Today we're going to talk about the Sansevieria starfish. This is part of the Cylindrica family. So you've probably seen some of the Sansevierias. They look like this guy right here, but there are so many different types. These are kind of like the common ones, and then you have some other Sansevierias that are a little bit more unique. So I thought I would talk a little bit about this guy and share him with you guys today. So the soil that I have him in is just an organic cactus mix, and so it's very well, it's easy draining, well draining soil, and I water him probably once every 10 days. Could probably water him a little bit more, but I like to err on the side of underwatering because I like to love my plants, and often that happens with too much water. So a well-draining soil is absolutely imperative. This pot doesn't have a drainage hole, so I actually have him in a grower's pot here, and you can see I just watered him. So he's slowly dripping out, and then as soon as, I don't know, I'll give him a couple more minutes to drip, and then I'll go and drain everything out so that he's not sitting in any kind of water down there. I do fertilize him probably once a month in the growing season. It's winter right now, so he's not going to get any watering until spring again. But I brought him home this summer, and this stalk right here, you can see it's a different color green. It is brand new. He did not exist when I brought this guy home. He just had the 5 points, and he just shot out. He was so happy to be in our family. So I'm really excited about this guy. He's definitely a unique fixture. As far as light goes, he needs a little bit more light, I think. So once in a while, I bring him a little bit closer to the grow lights in the living room. But for the most part, he is about 10 feet away from a western facing window. So lots of indirect light. And he's just pretty happy, easygoing, doesn't take a lot of maintenance, but I love how thick each of these little fingers are. So like I said, this is the Sansevieria Cylindrica, and then the kind is Starfish. So you can see that's kind of what he looks like. So that's about it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.